welcome back to the channel. I'm Ola, Chris is behind the camera, and we're going to check out Northwest Woods. Come, let's follow and explore. Schoolhouse site Northwest. It was in existence in 1792, and a new schoolhouse was built on Vanscoy land in 1827, and had its own school until 1885.
You'll have to pause it to read the rest of it, but it was pretty amazing. This is the site of the schoolhouse that was here. Pretty nuts. I don't really have anything to give you perspective on how large the building is, but it's not very big. They said it could house 30 to 40 students. There you go. There's Ola. So it's maybe, what, 12 feet wide and maybe 15 feet long? She's counting.
So I just walked it out. 18 long, 13 wide, give or take.
Oh, not bad. If I do the math in my head, that's... I don't know how many square feet that is. It's too cold, too early. We're gonna continue along this path.
There is a cemetery here. The headstones, you can actually read them from like the mid 1800s, some late 1700s. Pretty cool. I'm not sure if this path loops, so we're just gonna read probably some of the signs here.
That's a good question. I think it does up here. So here are the first permanent settlers. It looks like they were here for a while. They farmed here till 1816, and then the house was bought and moved. And then the remains were oh, she found the well. The remains were kind of taken for lumber and firewood by, they say, passersby. But here's the, if you see the stones, it might be hard to see the depth here, like, but here's the, where the house stood. You can see the little, it goes down there. And then over here, here's some stones too. So there's a well, and this is also, I believe, where they said the livestock were kept.
Yeah, it's hard to see because they have it boxed and with the grate over it, but if you look down, you can see the stone wall ish.
It's not coming in. Yeah,
I'll try to
I can't get it. So
there's the stone well. Pretty cool. What did we just see?
2 turkeys.
They're huge. They're like
They are.
running. They're like
They're fast too. Like
the little raptors in like Jurassic Park. That's what they look like.
But they do have a weird dinosaur look to them.
Yeah.
Do you think those were males or females?
I'm not sure. Oh man, I wish I had my camera up, but I was just watching them run because I was just taken aback. They were pretty big too.
They are. Well, they are turkeys, so they are huge.
No, but
I mean, it's not like in a store, you know. At that point, they're missing a couple of things.
it's really pretty in here.
Nice and quiet.
It is quiet. Got some nice pine trees growing. It's different like when you're hiking in the fall, late fall, early winter.
We did find out that if you are going to come here, to be careful. You wear like bright colors and orange. Do not dress like me. I was not prepared to come to a place like this. At this time of year, you should wear bright colors. So that's why Ola is leading the way.
And I keep saying I'm walking down the path. I'm wearing pink, just in case somebody's hunting. Maybe that's why the turkeys are running for their lives.
They know better?
They know better. They've been around it a few times around the block. So trail marker said to turn right, brought us back to the road, and I see it across the road, so.
This is such a dangerous place to cross.
I know, because it's like on a hill.
Oh, you're not going to show us, so you show us. Like turn that way first, so you can't see over that.
Yeah, you can't see over this hill.
Dang.
Then we have a hill back there. All right. Preserve closes at dusk. And we have the white orange markers from before. There's a car coming. Can hear it. You having fun?
Yeah.
Someplace
I love
different.
seeing where like settlements were and things like that. I mean, I kind of wish we didn't have to worry about a particular issue. But yeah,
It's all good.
fun.
Looks like a service road.
I know, that's
Actually.
what I'm kind of worried about. Who's it used by?
We'll figure it out.
No, it's I love reading about how things were back in the day. Like it's kind of like, I don't think we can necessarily imagine what it was like for them back then, what it was looked like, but it's fun to try.
We just came to an intersection. I see yellow triangle. I see blue.
There's so many things.
And I see a paw print. I've seen that somewhere else. I forget what park.
There's white here.
Then there's white here. I want to say we take the white, but this way. This direction. Because this will probably go parallel. Sorry, I thought I heard something in the woods. Unless you want to take the road part.
I have no idea. I was just confused because I thought we knew where we were, but now I don't think I know where we are. Like, it was just supposed to go in a circle, but we weren't expecting all this.
No. So, like, part of me wants to go on the white.
Alright, so do.
Alright, we're gonna do the white. White's on the Appalachian Trail, the Pulmonock Trail. White's usually the main trail, right?
I don't know, if it's wrong, at least it's on you.
Okay. Look, I knew it. The white path was the path to take. There's a number up on the tree there. Oh, Chris just had to make a little face for me. Number 3. That was on one of the settlement maps. I don't think we took
Do these
video.
yellow things, triangles, mean something? Like, is it just a path symbol, or is it like that means something? Because then we missed something back there if there was.
Oh. Well, I didn't see any number.
Oh.
This is number 3.
What is that?
Where we started was number 15. Storage, perhaps.
Number 3. But this one doesn't have a plaque.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
It would have been nice if they had a plaque to let us know what this was. We'll have to go back to that map and it'll tell us what it was.
Number 3. We'll leave a description below.
Alright, so you said we have to go left? Right, I mean.
Right.
The left probably takes you. Maybe that walks you all the way around.
But then the numbers don't make sense. The parking lot was 15.
Oh, there's a symbol.
Oh, see, that's the Pulmonock path.
Oh, Palmer.
See, I was right. I was right. Pulmonock path.
So I just know the yellow goes left.
Okay. Yeah, I see the yellow back there. Let's just take a look.
What?
We could turn around.
No. It's cold.
We tried the yellow path for a little bit. We're just gonna turn around, head back to the white. And that should take us back to the car. Watch my head. Watch my head. Stick. Okay. What, another one? We have Scooby. Is it Scoby? No. Scoby's on top of the kombucha. Skoy. We have Skoy Pond to the left here. Windy. Windy in this direction. Number 2. We don't know, like we said. We didn't take a picture of the map that had it before, but I think if we head this way, we'll head to Skoy Pond.
And what's we want to do?
Just to take a look. We're gonna have to come back this way anyway.
We have to come back this way.
The wind's starting to pick up. Oh, is that a bat box? Bird box? Where's the pond?
What is that?
Is that like a raft or?
Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's hard to tell from this angle.
Coming back up to the road to where we parked. Oh, I found the symbol, white and orange.
How come I know what type we saw it was at the beginning of it?
Here, nature preserve. It's hard to read the sign between brush.
Nature preserve.
And we were on the Palmnock path. Well, here's another one. Grace Estate Nature Preserve.
It ate it. The tree ate the sign.
Yeah, the tree ate the sign, no camping, no fires.
What about the one above it?
Caution.
No, the bee.
Oh, the bee.
Or it was a bee.
It was a bee. There's a stone. This area was acquired with the assistance of the Nature Conservancy. Cool. Let's go across the street.
That's something recent.
Yes. Let's go across the street here. I feel like we missed all these numbers. Oh, because you could have gone all the way to the water.
What?
We could have gone all the way to the water.
I'm so confused.
Oh, you saw number 11. 5 corners. That's where we were.
Oh, so we had to take the yellow for a little bit.
Yeah, so then we took the green to number 3.
I was like, I knew there was supposed to be more numbers.
Oh, there is a livestock barn. Huh. Alright, so number 3 was Trail to the Sluice. Number 2 was Skoy Pond's Access. Number 1, we didn't see number 1 marker.
Oh my goodness, we missed half of it.
We missed half. Alright, that gives us reason to come back maybe on a warmer day. So with that being said, let's wait for the car to pass.
Trying to film here.
They were smiling. So with that being said,
we always want to thank you for your support. We appreciate it. We appreciate you following us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, hit all, otherwise it defaults to personalized. Comment if you like it here, what we do. Please let us know what you'd like to see, if there's any places that you would like to suggest for us, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.